Hi there! Welcome to another help video. In this video, we'll be going over the Business Directory tab. So let's begin. First, let's start with the member list. This is a feature that allows you to view the list of your organization members and their details. If you click the pencil icon next to a member, you can edit their account information. You can also update or change your login email and password for their account in this section. Next, let's go over how to add a new member. Once you've filled out all the input boxes with the appropriate information, you can click the Add New Member button. Now let's go over the Categories section. This is a feature that allows you to add new categories or view your current categories for your business directory. Attaching a category to the businesses in your business directory will make it easier for visitors to find the members on the business directory page. To add a new category to the list, enter the name of the category into the input box and then click Add Category. It will then be listed below. And finally, let's go over the Business Directory Settings tab. Here is where you can add the official name for your membership or club, enter an explanation for what the directory is, enter login instructions, and then a login welcome message. Once you've added the proper fields, click the Save Settings button. Now let's go to our demo website to see what this looks like. Go to Community, and then go to Business Directory. Here you can see the name, the description, the member login, and then the membership directory. Viewers can search by business type or manually search for a business as well. Our Business Directory add-on has many benefits. You can add local businesses to your website to drive more traffic. You can charge clients for listings. You can sell ad space on your directory page to generate revenue. Consumers can easily search for local business information. And businesses will attract new customers, increase brand awareness, and maintain a strong local presence. For more information about our Business Directory add-on features, pricings, or to sign up for the add-on, visit our website under the Our Products section. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to visit our Help Center or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos and we'll see you next time.